trusted mechanic touches the car, you feel more confident, you know what I'm saying? And they're just waiting for me to bring this to the track, like a full track day. We're not talking about like roll racing at Homestead, we're talking about like going to Sebring, and I can't wait. That's just building boost straight up?
Yeah, trans brake.
Trans brake? Holy shit. So the iDrive shows you that you have four-wheel drive sport, all of that inside the car?
Yep.
Ridiculous.
Good try it.
So this is a rear-wheel drive M2 with a conversion. This car is fully stripped. Look at that. Have you ever weighed the car?
No.
No?
No, I know it's still heavy.
So iDrive, normally you would not see. First we got to get through all the race car messages.
Close it.
It closes. We'll go to setup. Look at that. In the iDrive, he has four-wheel drive sport, and two-wheel drive, and M traction control in an M2, which is ridiculous. And when you have a race car, this is normal. All of those faults. One day, I'd love to have a pure drag setup like this. This is crazy. Check out these beautiful orange headlights, Vorsteiner wheels, and an Adro spoiler on this thing. Alright fam, we think it's the sway bar end links, stabilizer end links. Keep going, tap, 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 tap.
Yeah, right. No, cheap custom is funny, not cheap cars. You have expensive cars, but cheap custom. Do springs for a discount, that was telling me.
Oh, Sebastian.
For more than $50.
Just cut the springs.
Yeah.
Why do I have bent wheels? You asked me to lower the spring.
I'm not trying to get a discount and I just want.
Alright fam, what's good? We are at FP Automotive and I have an appointment with them on Friday morning. They just put the car on the lift and we think it's the sway bar end links, so I'm going to bring my stock end links on Friday, swap them out for the SPL ones, which we think are making a noise. Start this thing up the loudest way possible. Sounds good. And for now, so that we don't have to deal with the noise too much, I'm just gonna drive the car in the loudest settings as possible. Tomorrow morning we have a very early morning drive to BMW of Fort Lauderdale. They'll finally fix the shark fin. And that will fix the emergency call system malfunction. Or at least I hope it does, because the shark fin antenna has a telematics control module. The Subaru has some pretty sick aftermarket taillights. I love looking at pretty cool taillights and headlights on cars. It gives you a nice touch. He's got the color changing ones, that looks dope. But yeah guys, FP is moving to a bigger location. They're still gonna be in Boynton Beach. That'll probably happen in the next few weeks. But really my trusted shop, honestly, to work with. Mario is a great guy. Steph is awesome to work with too. They have great techs. And that's what you really want to do when you get a car, you know, like this. You want to develop a relationship with the shop that you trust and do it right. It was nice to get underneath the car. I'll put the footage up so you guys can see what the car looks like underneath. One of the bolts on the rear right for the sway bar end link had actually come out a little bit, so we adjusted that, but I can still hear the tapping, and Mario said he could still hear the tapping too. Looks like there's gonna be a lot of traffic. Right about 6:30. I finally did my taxes today, and guys, the big beautiful bill is no joke, especially if you own a business. Definitely think about how to maximize your tax return this year with a tax professional, or use Google Gemini 3.0 Pro, but be honest, you know, and give it as much information as possible. Moving from Georgia, some of the states in the US haven't like ratified the big beautiful bill. Oh my God. Is it just me, or when your trusted mechanic touches the car, you feel more confident? You know what I'm saying? And they're just waiting for me to bring this to the track, like a full track day. We're not talking about like roll racing at Homestead. We're talking about like going to Sebring, and I can't wait. wheel just came loose. That's one way to get around traffic. Just came back from India, so I gotta give her a call. My goodness. This is fifth gear at 4,500 RPM. It's 4,000 RPM. It's not bad in terms of drone. This is rear wheel drive too, so car can be faster. I just really enjoy driving in rear wheel drive. The rear tires definitely need to be replaced soon. Such a pretty time to go out for a drive in the sunset. And Florida has such clearer air. Like the air quality in southern Florida is so much better than Atlanta. Atlanta actually has like smog, you know, like pollution. Oh, that van. Cutting up. So yesterday night I said there was a big bump before the Palm Beach exit. It's actually coming from this side when you're coming south. It's right about here. Car took that pretty well, I'm not gonna lie. Oh, right here. Not bad. These XHP shifts are just crazy. So the title of the video is definitely going to be rushing home during rush hour in my M4 CS. We got some sick outside shots today too. Can't wait for you guys to see this video. That was a lot of fun, even if it was a little drive. Hope you enjoyed that drive. It was quick and sweet today. Let's go.